Garlic, mainly in the form of a spray, is a very popular method to control slugs naturally. However, is its popularity justified? Will they eat garlic lettuce or the non garlic lettuce? And in this experiment, will they choose to leave the slug stands via the garlic pathway or the non garlic pathway, establishing if garlic spray can really work as a slug and snail deterrent for gardeners? So here I am in my kitchen boiling some garlic cloves in water, which will later be strained and added to a spray bottle and be used in my tests, as well as some raw garlic cloves. I was initially quite skeptical that this would work, especially since I had previously conducted a 6-way barrier test using various popular methods. The seedling protected by garlic, which is highlighted, was the first to get eaten, and it happened rather quickly. However, as a scientist, I knew this could be an exception to the rule, and it's important to gather more data before drawing any potentially misleading conclusions. In this first of two tests, I'll be counting how many slugs choose to go down the garlic sprayed path versus how many opt for the plain, untreated soil, which serves as my control. Then afterwards, I'll see if they prefer eating garlic lettuce or non-garlic lettuce, as potentially garlic spray is easy to move over for slugs, but repulsive for them to eat. For more information, visit my website, stopslugs.com, and check out my other videos on social media, including, of course, YouTube, where I review all things slug related. So if you prefer to share less of your plants with slugs, click subscribe and stay informed. So the results were neck and neck, but the first test actually ends 12-7, with more slugs surprisingly choosing the garlic sprayed pathway over the untreated soil. Clearly, they don't mind crawling over the garlic spray, but does it deter them from eating plants? So, to find out, I placed a lot of slugs and snails between two lettuce leaves, and they initially seemed to prefer the non garlic food, but honestly, it turned into a bit of a free for all, and it's hard to see any significant effect from the garlic. So, if you want honest and only occasionally biased advice on how to protect your plants, click on one of the videos coming up next to help you avoid common mistakes made by other gardeners, like, for example, protecting your plants with garlic.